Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add and install an extension in your Google Chrome web browser really quickly. So let's get started right away. Now doing this is actually super beginner friendly, guys. What you will need to do is access the Chrome Web Store on your Chrome web browser. To do that, launch Chrome and simply click on that icon in the top right here, extensions, or if you don't see it here because it hasn't been enabled yet, simply click on these three dots here in the top right corner and select extensions here. From that menu and here to the left, click on Manage Extensions. Now here inside your Manage Extensions section, you will see all the extensions that have already been installed and that are currently running in your Chrome web browser. So here you can, for example, disable or enable them by switching them on and off for here, or remove them. So if you'd like to gain access to new extensions, simply click on Chrome Web Store here to the right. And in the last step, guys, simply browse through the library here on Chrome Web Store. For example, here to the left, you will see various categories and niches and genres like art and design, entertainment, just for fun, news and weather, and so on and so forth. So let us go, for example, with a weather forecast extension. Click on it and pick the extension you would like to install, like for example that rain alarm extension here. Click on it, and in the last and final step, guys, click on Add to Chrome here. Confirm by clicking on that button, and after a brief moment the given extension will be added to your Chrome web browser so that you may access it here in the top right, for example. And yeah, that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.